everyone, my name is Ben, this is Tarek, and we are going to be talking about our Clipboard robot. So, to start off, we positioned the base in the corner of the clipboard because the minimum range that it can reach creates a circle around the base. So we put it in the corner to minimize that area that it cannot reach. These toothpicks on each of the joints and the clipboard represent the coordinates. The z-axis is along the rotation, and the x-axis is given by the DH parameters. So, the DH parameters, to find those, the first one would be A, which is the distance between the two z-axes in question. The D is the distance between the first x-axis and the previous x-axis. And alpha is the rotation along the x-axis to get the z's to align. So between here and here is 0, between here and here it is 90 degrees. And the theta is given by the rotation of the joint itself, so it's a variable.